Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to delete your search history on YouTube TV. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to access your Google account settings. So go to the Google account settings page by visiting myaccount.google.com and logging in with the Google account that is associated with your YouTube TV usage. The following step is to navigate to your Google account activity. So within the Google account settings, look for the section related to your activity. It may be labeled as activity controls, my activity, or similar. The next step is to find your YouTube TV activity. So locate the section or category that includes your YouTube TV activity or search history. It may be listed as YouTube TV, YouTube, or Google search. The fourth step is to manage or delete your activity. So within the YouTube TV or related activity section, you should see options to manage or delete your activity. So look for a button or link that allows you to view or delete your search history. The last step is to delete your search history. So click on the option to delete your search history or manage your activity. So this will typically present you with a list of your recent searches or activities. So choose the specific items you want to delete or use the option to delete all of your search history on YouTube TV. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.